explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 9 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is prepositions, right? So what are these prepositions? Let me tell you. Prepositions are the words that tell us about the positions of the nouns or the pronouns in the sentence. Also, they tell us about the relationship between the noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. Right? So, let us begin with the chapter now and see कि हमें prepositions के बारे में और क्या-क्या चीजें बताई जा रही हैं. Preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. कि प्रिपोजिशन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो प्लेस किया जाता है एक नाउन या फिर एक प्रोनाउन से पहले ताकि शो किया जा सके कि किस रिलेशन में एक पर्सन और थिंग जो है वो डिनोट किए जाते हैं, राइट? और लाइक उनकी पोजीशन क्या है, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन ऑफ दैट नाउन और प्रोनाउन विद द अदर वर्ड इन द सेंटेंस, राइट? Let us have a look on the sentences given below. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. The boy ran after the bus. Passengers sit behind the driver. The lion is inside his den. The plate is on the table. He walked up the stairs. Right? Now, the colored words in the above sentences represent positions. कि यहाँ पर जो colored words हैं इन sentences में ये हमें prepositions दिखाते हैं. Right? A preposition is generally placed before the noun or pronoun it governs. कि हमने देखा कि preposition generally एक noun और pronoun के पहले लगाए जाते हैं जिनको वो गवर्न कर रहे होते हैं, यानी कि जिसके बारे में वो बात कर रहे होते हैं. बट sometimes it comes after the word it governs. पर कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि ये उस वर्ड के बाद में भी आ सकते हैं जिसे ये गवर्न कर रहे हैं. Prepositions are of two types. कि ये जो prepositions हैं ये दो तरीके की होती हैं. Simple preposition which consists of only one word. Simple prepositions जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही word होता है. Complex prepositions which is made up of more than one word. Complex preposition वो हैं जो कि एक word से ज़्यादा को मिलाकर बनाई गई हों. A complex preposition can also be called as phrase preposition. कि complex preposition एक phrase preposition भी कहा जा सकता है. Right? Next, let us study the lists of simple prepositions and complex prepositions given below. तो अब जल्दी से ये लिस्ट पढ़ते हैं जिसमें simple prepositions और complex prepositions दिए गए हैं. Right? So, first of all, we have the simple prepositions. So, अब ये simple prepositions क्या हैं? Right? So, it is among, along, after, across, against, around, between, by, below, before, in, beside, during, down, off, following, into, inside, out, like. Next, near, till, off, onto, on, without, round, over, past, with, and to. Right? Okay, then towards, until, upon. Right? Next, we have something to remember. Let's see what it says. Some of these words mentioned in the table above may also be used as adverbs or conjunctions. कि कुछ वर्ड्स जो कि हमने ऊपर टेबल में पढ़े ये एडवर्ब्स और कंजंक्शंस दोनों की ही तरह यूज किए जा सकते हैं, राइट? Whether a word is a preposition, adverb, or conjunction depends on the work it does in a sentence. कि एक वर्ड क्या काम कर रहा है, क्या वो एक प्रपोजिशन है, क्या वो एक एडवर्ब है या फिर वो एक कंजंक्शन है, वो डिपेंड करता है उस काम पे जो वो कर रहा है, राइट? सो नाउ वी हैव द एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर. लेट्स रीड देम. The boys distributed the sweets among themselves. It is of no use going against the law. I play cricket during the school holidays. The lion jumped into the well. We sat next to each other. Move the books onto the shelf. She turned round and ran back. Right? She arrived the following days. There was a bridge across the river. We are going towards Shimla. Right? Next, we have complex prepositions. So, अब ये complex prepositions कौन सी हैं ये जानते हैं. According to, in comparison to, in the hope of, in consequence of, away from, in course of, instead of, with a view to, as a result of, in favor of, in the event of, with an eye to, by means of, in contrast to, on account of, with regard to, by way of, in lieu of, owing to, in the face of, due to, in order to, out of, at the top of, except for, in place of, rather than, by reason of, for the sake of, in regard to, so far as, along with, on behalf of, in spite of, such as, in respect of, in case of, in view of, together with, virtue of, right? Now, we have the examples. Let's read them very quickly. She dressed herself according to the occasion. The hotel was great except for price. All the children, along with a few parents, swam across the river. Sally moved away from the fire. We were late because of the traffic. We eat chicken instead of mushrooms. The managers, together with the laborers, went on strike. Lucy missed the championship as a result of her knee injury. Sam quit smoking for the sake of his health. We are happy in regards to your grades. Topic that we have is omission of prepositions. तो अब हम prepositions को कहाँ पे omit कर सकते हैं वो हम सीखेंगे. There are times when prepositions are not necessarily required. कि कभी कभी ऐसा टाइम आता है जब हमें prepositions की इतनी requirement नहीं होती है. Which means they can be omitted. जिसका मतलब है कि हम उन्हें वहाँ पर omit भी कर सकते हैं. Right? So, let us study the rules with examples. जल्दी से इन रूल्स को एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू पढ़ते हैं. राइट? Preposition is not required before the object of a transitive verb. कि preposition एक preposition की requirement नहीं होती है एक transitive verb के object के पहले. Just like they caught the thief. Not caught to the thief, right? I shall meet him 8 p.m. tomorrow. Not meet with him. Next, preposition is not required before expression of time and place. कि अगर हम expression of time या place mention कर रहे हैं तो वहां पर हमें preposition की कोई need नहीं होती है. So it is I am going abroad. I am going, sorry, not for abroad, right? My father came here last week. Not in last week. Preposition is not required before expressions of time as morning, evening, day, night, month, year, etc. कि preposition required नहीं होता है टाइम के एक्सप्रेशंस के पहले, जैसे कि मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग या फिर जो भी यहाँ पर मेंशन्ड है. राइट? जस्ट लाइक ही मेट मी लास्ट इवनिंग, नॉट इन लास्ट इवनिंग. ही इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट संडे, not on next Sunday, right? Next, preposition is not required before words like yesterday, today, tomorrow, etc. इन सभी वर्ड्स के पीछे भी हम preposition को मेंशन नहीं करते हैं. They are not required, right? Just like please come tomorrow, not on tomorrow. They came yesterday, not on yesterday. Preposition is not required before home. कि home से पहले भी preposition की requirement नहीं होती है. Just like I go home every Saturday, not to home. I am going home. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.